What's up guys, FX Keys here, and in today's video we're going to break down a USDJPY winner that I actually took and posted in my Discord. So my Discord is free, just send me a message on Instagram and I'll add you into it. But this was the trade right here, and here is the winner on my funded account. So right now we're on a website called gocharting.com, and this is essentially TradingView, where it gives you the replay tool for free. I made a video on this, my last video was on this. But I wanted to do the back testing on this one. So if you guys missed the last video, you can actually start using this website. I have no affiliation with them, but it's useful for people that want to back test. So the sell was spotted on the 30-minute. This was it. The impulsive move broke the range high, left imbalance right at the order block. Also, what we know is on the 30-minute, which we're looking at, we're on a short-term uptrend, but on the higher term trend, we are on an uptrend on the 30-minute. All the way up to the 4-hour. We'll go into the 4-hour and just show you. So yeah, this is the 4-hour. We are on an amazing uptrend. So we want to continue buying wherever we can. And we did have that short-term pullback. So now that we're back into the uptrend, we want to get in to take these winners. Let's go back to the 30-minute. Okay, so we'll just mark out the trade. What we see is range high here, range low here, and clearly we broke out of that range high, meaning we have a new range. So we had the impulsive move which started here, and we have direct imbalance at the order block. So this is our order block. This is the last sell before the buy. Impulsive move, imbalance, break the range high. Okay, we have a valid setup. So what do we want to do next? We want to refine the order block, see if we can get any better entries. So I'm pretty sure we didn't get any better entries, but I'll just refine it to show you guys. So we'll go down to the 15-minute now. Okay, so the 15-minute order block is more refined, but there is no direct imbalance at that order block. For example, this wick has pushed down, so we can't actually take this. We'd have to stick with the 30-minute, which was like this. So now we'll go down to the 5-minute. Again, no better refinement. Right here would be the ideal entry, but that has already been mitigated. So this actually looks like the new order block. Like this looks like where the last sell before the buy was. Obviously this is a buy candle, but the fact that we can see that we have a high wick, meaning there was buys, then sellers pushed it back down, and then most likely buyers came in. So there are sells within this candle. So this would be the best entry right now, which is actually worse than the 30-minute. So I would stick with the 30. Go down to the 3-minute and the 1-minute if we want. 3-minute again, no better entry, and the 1-minute, no better entry. But once again, this is probably our best entry point if we actually want to trigger in. If we want 100% get in, this is where we'd want to take the trade. But if you want to be a bit more extreme about your entry, you stick with the 30-minute like I did. Now this would be our entry. What we would do is put our pending order right here. So put our pending order right here. And then we always want to target the new range high, which would be the highest point of this wick. So this is our new target. What we now need to do is see if the minimum 1-to-1 is a good stop loss placement. Is it got a better chance for it to hit take profit than stop loss if it's a 1-to-1? If the answer is yes, okay, we have a good trade. Now can we refine the stop loss even more? But if the answer is no, then it's just not a trade we take. So what I would do is directly go for a 1-to-1. And now in my eyes, again, based off a trend as well, do I believe that we would trigger in and more likely hit take profit than stop loss? Yes, I do. So with this setup, I did directly take a straight 1-to-1. I didn't refine it anymore, but you could refine it below the low. So really, the tightest I'd go is below this wick here, a little bit actually below it. So like a 1-to-80 at most, but I want it to be as safe as possible. Highest win rate I want. So I went for a straight 1-to-1. Now, if we continue to play, we can see what happened. We tapped in and then we impulsively pushed up and went straight to take profit. This was a 1-to-1. This was 1,000 risk on a 100k fund account and then 1,000 profit. So yeah, hopefully this helped you. Again, my strategy is very simple. Impulsive move, breaking a range high for an uptrend or a range low for a downtrend. Always trading with trend, you need the current time frame trend and the time frame above in the same direction. Entry on the order block with imbalance, and the stop loss needs to be a minimum of 1-to-1 to like a maximum of 1-to-1.75, and stop loss needs to have a much lower chance of hitting than take profit, unless you don't care about win rate and are happy to use a tighter stop loss and lose more trades but get more R2R. So yeah, hopefully that helped. If it did, you can send me a message, join my Discord, it's totally free. Get ready to see the next video.